Hello and welcome to this short video on how to obtain a declaration of parentage. My name is Gorry. I'm a solicitor, and you can find some more information about family law in Ireland at my website, which you see on the screen there, familylawIrelandHQ.com. This video, as I say, is going to look at how to obtain a declaration of parentage. The Status of Children Act 1987, it makes provisions for declarations of parentage. This will simply involve an application to the circuit court, not the district court, that a person is his or her mother or father, even where the parent is dead. The Act also provides for blood tests, including DNA testing, where parentage is in dispute, to be carried out. The court can make this order of its own volition, or a party to the legal proceedings can apply to the court for such an order. On many occasions, parentage is in dispute. Sometimes it's not, and where it's in dispute, DNA testing can be ordered. Generally, the cost of such testing will be borne by the parties themselves. Proceedings then to obtain a declaration of parentage in the circuit court are commenced with a family law civil bill. The Status of Children Act 1987, it provides a presumption of paternity where a couple is married and presumes that the husband is the father of the child. Like all legal presumptions, however, this can be rebutted by evidence on the balance of probability. In an unmarried parent situation, there is no presumption in law as to the father of the child, unless the man has been named on the birth certificate as the father. Fathers who acknowledge paternity can have their names added to the birth cert. If a father is not named on the birth cert, then he may have to prove paternity to the court if he wishes to apply for access, guardianship or custody. The Births and Deaths Registration Ireland Act of 1880 was an important piece of legislation in this area. It has been amended by the Status of Children Act of 1987 because it allows the insertion of the natural father's name on the child's birth cert if both parents agree, or if there's a court order naming him as the father. Generally, there's no difficulty in relation to a situation where both parents agree. However, you may find a difficulty in some exceptional situations where both parents agree, but the civil registration or the civil registrar refuses to add the father, for example, as the parent of the child, and will insist that you go to the circuit court to obtain a declaration of parentage. This can happen actually in relation to people who have come to Ireland from abroad, where a question may be raised as to the domicile of the father at the time of the registration of the birth of the child. However, where a child is born to a mother who is married and the husband is not the father, the required statutory declaration will be different, as it will require a statement from the husband that he is not the father, or a statement from the mother that she had been living apart from the husband for 10 months prior to the birth, or a court order naming the father. This, as I say, is a pretty short video. It just looks it's an overview of the declaration of parentage situation. It is important for children, for succession act or succession rights, for example, and various other rights, that a father would be named on the birth cert. So this is an opportunity or a way where a child can obtain a declaration of parentage and have the father registered on the birth cert. My name is Gorry. As I say, I'm a solicitor there in Enfield in County Meath. My contact details are on the screen there. You can check out more information, free information about family law in Ireland at familylawIrelandHQ.com or on my other website, businessandlegal.ie. Thanks for watching.